Amazon has just launched their own new brand referral bonus. Now, on the surface, that looks freaking awesome. But hidden underneath, all is not as it seems. To find out what I'm talking about, make sure you watch this video and also consider, if you like this kind of stuff, giving this video a thumbs up, and that way I'll be able to post much more content like this for you. Also consider subscribing to my channel. We post brand new content each and every day. And if you've got any questions, comments, or just want to let me know what you think about this video, or you got a question about a video, or just have a question about anything at all, comment below. Let's get into the video. Amazon launched something a little while ago called the brand referral bonus. Okay, put your tin foil caps on, ladies and gentlemen. We're about to go into the world of conspiracy. So Amazon launched their brand referral bonus some months ago, I think 2 months ago, something like that. And essentially what it is this. So Amazon has got the associate program, which is their affiliate program. Now, this used to be absolutely freaking awesome. I used to be an Amazon affiliate. They used to pay 12% on most transactions on Amazon. So you could sell, for instance, like I was, televisions, which back in the UK this was, which sold for 500 quid. And Amazon would pay you 12% of that per sale. And it was very, very easy money, okay? And they quickly realized, of course, that they didn't want loads and loads of shenanigans and assholes like me selling all their stuff. And so they made it crap by basically taking it from 12% commission down to 1 or 2% commission, okay? That's what happened. And of course, that killed their affiliate program. Fast forward to a couple of months ago. They decided that they were going to launch something on the back of Walmart and Shopify's and Target's results, which have all been growing exponentially. They decided to launch something preemptively called brand referral bonus. And essentially what that is, it's Amazon for brand registry owners will let you get a referral commission for sending outside traffic into Amazon that then results in a sale. And that can be a sale of your own products, which is awesome. So if you use Facebook ads to make a sale on Amazon of your stuff, then Amazon will actually give you a commission for doing that, which is cool, yeah? And part two of that, Amazon will also track that, what's called a cookie, and they will, for 15 days post that, any other sales on any other products, Amazon will also give you a commission as well. So pretty big incentive to send outside traffic to Amazon. That's a really, I think, big incentive to do that. Facebook, YouTube, blah, blah, blah. Anything outside of Amazon's own infrastructure, you can get paid for. Very, very easy to set up. You must be brand registered. All you need to do once you've done that is apply to become what's called brand referral bonus, which is in your brand registry dashboard. And then you set up something called attribution, which is, again, in your brand registry dashboard. And that just allows you to track traffic coming in, sales made on Amazon. That's what that's for. So there's that, and that's kind of cool. Love that. Now, why on earth has Amazon done that? Why on earth has Amazon done that? So this is the tinfoil hat thing. I reckon it is because Amazon's what's called lifetime value of a customer is through the roof, meaning once somebody becomes an Amazon customer, and more importantly, a Prime member, but anyway, an Amazon customer, then through the lifetime of that customer, they will spend a shitload of money with Amazon, whether that's through AWS related products, or through Amazon, or through Prime, or any of the other numerous different things that Amazon's got running and got their fingers into. They'll make a lot of money from that new customer. Okay, lifetime value, big metric we all should track in our business. For instance, Starbucks coffee, what, $4 a pop for a Starbucks coffee, which sounds like nothing, but the lifetime value currently of a Starbucks customer is $5,400 and change dollars. Okay, so whilst the coffee is $4, the customer to add to Starbucks is worth $5,500. Okay, that's how lifetime value works. It allows you to do all sorts of cool shit. Anyway, so I think it's all part and parcel of that. And anybody that gets involved with this ought to at least be aware that Amazon never ever does something out of benevolence for us as sellers. Okay, this is not happening. Jeff is not a benevolent fella. Okay, he makes it easy for us to sell, but in all situations, it always has to be better for Jeff than it does for us. So just go into that with your eyes open, and just know that if you do get into that, then what you're doing is you are creating a dominant position, or solidifying, shall we say, a dominant position for Amazon, and eradicating competitors from the landscape. And we've already seen what happens when monopolies are created. Small people like you and I get shafted. So just be aware of that going into that. I'm not saying you shouldn't do it. I'm just saying it's good to be aware of that sort of shit going in. Hello, this is Neil from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, and that was a video from my Monday night Q&A session that I have with the members of the awesome Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are the fastest growing community of professional sellers here in Australia. Over 2,500 members, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million on Amazon. If you'd like to find out more about what we do and come and join us, go to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au and we will welcome you with open arms. Come, kin! See you soon.